Epstein with your morning flash update for this Wednesday, and we're already at June 1st, 2022. Time just now about 8:15 a.m. Central Time. Well, the stock market taking off to the upside again. You can see what that's doing. Big turnaround just happened in the metals. They were down pretty hard, and they've come roaring back to the upside. Look at the copper market taking off. So, the market is accepting the fact that China is turning around. That's a good piece of information. Energy prices just tight as can be. The untradeable commodity, as I'll call it. Natural gas up 30-cent swings consistently. You had follow through to the downside in the grain market. Beans are staying strong. And again, if you're going to get exports out of the Ukraine for corn and wheat, that keeps pressure on those markets. In the bonds and the note market, you got to get used to now. We're getting ready today, for example, to the JOLTS data. I'll show you that in a minute. Then we got the jobs data this week, and the market's going to get into that quiet period just ahead of the Fed coming up. It's not right now, but it's coming up later in the month, and you've got to get used to that. The dollar index, just marking water, up a little bit at this point in time. Now, it's a big economic day today. You've got the MBA mortgage numbers. They just came out, and look at these. Just about every category down. You've got the Red Book numbers. They're running at about a double-digit increase. They've been doing that for a long time, still doing it. S&P Global Group releases the May manufacturing sector PMI at 845. They're looking for that at 57.4 versus the prelim report at 57.5. The Institute, the ISM Institute, will come out with their May manufacturing sector numbers. That comes in at 54.5, they're thinking, versus last month's 55.4. So that would be a 1-point decline. Construction spending for April, that's an old number already, but that comes out at 9 o'clock. They're looking for it at up 0.6. Then the U.S. Federal Reserve released their beige books. We'll get the idea of all the different districts as to how that's going to look. And petroleum stockpiles at 10 o'clock. So, wow. JOLTS data, all kinds of numbers coming out. There'll be a lot to chew on, and we have to see just where the market wants to go. I get the impression we're churning in the stock market as the markets want to get up even more, maybe towards their 18-week moving average of closes, which is a little bit higher than this, and then from there stall out, and maybe that's when the market's ready for the Fed moves of the 50 basis point hikes, and we'll see what that's going to do. I do want to remind you, though, however, if I can get this to go, that in the mornings right after, actually just before you're watching these videos, at 5:30 in the morning, I start going through the charts. And with you, as I'm sitting there, it's about a 20-minute video. We review 40 charts, looking at daily, weekly patterns, what's going on in the market. I talk about the reports just like you're seeing me here do. My traders already know about them. I go through that. On the weekends, I will go through weekly charts for the bigger picture, but I do intermix them during the week. We review all these different markets, but it's specific. Buy here, sell there, do this, follow through. Here's what I'm looking for. We'll take it, we work it through that way. So if you'd like to find out more about this, it's really simple. Just take your cursor, move up here. You can go to our website under the word research. It's all there. Sorry about that ringing. I'm Ira Epstein.